Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. Friends, in last session we create our own model which detect classroom cheating, and in today's session we will use a same method. We will create our own model with the help of YOLO 11 pose estimation and XGBoost. So in this session we will detect suspicious behavior and normal behavior for shoplifting. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will create our own model with the help of YOLO 11 pose and XGBoost, which detect suspicious and normal behavior for shoplifting. So for that I have created new project folder. Again, same condition, you have to subscribe our channel, then become channel member. I will mention the link, channel membership link, inside description box. You have to simply click on it, become our channel member. Then I will mention my Gmail ID. So you have to simply send the email that you have become our channel member. Then from our side you will get the project folder link and you will get the password for opening the folder. Simple. So simply subscribe our channel, become channel member, and you will get the folder link along with the password as a reply, okay, from our side basically. So when you get the link, simply copy paste the link inside web browser and go to the download. It will download our folder, means it will download our project folder. So we download it. Let's just close it, open file manager, go to the downloads, and this is what our folder, project folder. You need here a 7-zip. So install 7-zip, then right click to the folder, click on show more options, then 7-zip, and click on extract here, and then as you can see, this is the password. So you will get the password when you become subscriber, when you become channel member. So mention the password, and then when you enter the password, your folder will be extract. As you can see, shoplifting detect, and inside that we have the code. We have basically the code which we use for last session. Same way, only here we will detect shoplifting. So let's just open our video file. So this is the video file. This is basically the shopping mall, and this person behavior is a suspicious behavior. When this person walk here, he will take something from these racks and he will try to hide, or he will already hide basically. As you can see, he hide the product inside his clothes. So this is the suspicious behavior. So our goal is to create the model which detect a normal and suspicious behavior, as simple as. So this is what our video file. So first, of course, we need two video file, which is the normal and the suspicious. So for that we have tksoft.py. So just click on it and open with the help of Sony Python IDE. Then when you open, go to the tools and manage packages, search for OpenCV-Python first package, click on, select the package and click on install button. Done, it will install the package. Then we need Ultralytics package, hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done, it will install Ultralytics. And then we need skykit-learn, skykit-learn. As you can see, the first package, skykit-learn. Click on install button. Done, it will install skykit-learn. Then we need XGBoost, hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done, it will install XGBoost. So we need CV2, means OpenCV-Python Ultralytics. Then we need skykit-learn, and then we need XGBoost package. Done. So now we have our package installation completed. Now we will simply run our code. It will open our Tkinter software. First it will download YOLO 8n.pt model, then just click on start. It will start our video file, and this is the video file. if you watch my old video, so this is what the normal video and this is what the video where we have object detection. But right now there is no detection, that's why there is no rectangle, no track ID, nothing. But when this person come in this particular area, there will be detection, there will be track ID, and then because right now first we will create the normal video. So in normal video we want to blur suspicious behavior. So when we blur a suspicious behavior, it means we will get the normal behavior points for model. Simple. So this is the file which we will creating, which is basically a normal video. So when the person will come over here, we will select the ID, but we will not blur because this is the normal behavior. So let's just pause it. Okay, as you can see the person is here coming inside this particular area. So I have paused, select the ID and then just resume. There is no need to blur because this is the normal behavior, so there is no need to blur. When the person started the suspicious behavior, we will pause, we will click on the start blurring and then it will blur the object, means then it will blur the person. So let's just resume. Still there is a normal behavior, the person is normally walking, he take something from the shelf, it's okay. Now pause. As you can see, this is the action which is not normal action, this is the suspicious action because the person taking something from the shelf and try to hide inside their clothes. So this is the suspicious action. So now the suspicious action is started. So I have paused, I have already selected the ID. Now simply click on start blurring, click on it. You will see this kind of pop-up message, click on OK and then we will click on resume button, it will start blur. As you can see, now we blur suspicious behavior. Why? Because this is normal behavior video file. Okay, watch here. Pause because again the person started the normal behavior. So I have paused, uncheck the ID 31 and then just click on stop blurring, click on OK and then resume it, again unblur. Simple. So now we created the video file which basically have the normal behavior points, which basically have the normal behavior points. So now when the person will come over here, the video file will be over, and when the video file over, we will click on the quit button and then we will close the software and then we have our video file which is basically the normal video file. So let's just wait. So video is over, click on quit and then close it. Done. Open file manager, downloads, and inside our project folder this is what our output video file. Right click, open with the VLC media player because it will open the file only with the VLC media player. Simple. So watch, person is detected with the help of YOLO 8N model. Normal behavior, normal behavior, normal. Suspicious behavior we blur because this is the normal behavior videos. Again normal behavior, done. So this is what our normal behavior video. Right click, rename with NM1 or you can mention any name. Okay, so NM1 and now we will create suspicious behavior. So again let's just start our software, click on start button, again same video. Let's just wait for person coming over here in this particular area. So friends, person is detected by our YOLO 8N model, but we will not blur because let's just wait the person want to come here in this particular area. When the person come here, we will pause it because now this is the suspicious behavior, so we want to blur the normal behavior. So ID 31, select it, click on start blurring, click on OK, and then just resume it. Now as you can see, the normal behavior is blur, and when we have suspicious behavior, we will uncheck the ID and we will resume. It will unblur the action. So watch here, watch in normal video basically. So pause it. This is the suspicious behavior. Uncheck the ID and click on resume. Now here as you can see, it's unblurred. Now here we will have the suspicious points. Okay, again watch normal action. This is the normal action. Again select the ID 31 and click on resume. It will again blur. Simple. So now let's just wait for video to end. So friends, video is over. Now we will simply click on quit and click on close. It will close the software. Now if you open the project folder, we have our suspicious video file. Right click, we will cross check with the help of VLC media player. So let me skip here, person detected, but we not started over here blur. As you can see, this is the normal behavior which we blur when we have suspicious behavior. Again as you can see, unblur, done, normal behavior, blur, done. It means this is what our suspicious video file. Right click, rename susp1, done. Now close the software.py. Now we have our both file. We will create the images, so from the video file which we have. Now for that we will use first normal.py. So let's just open normal.py, and here we mention the video file path, means the video file, and the YOLO11s.pose.pt model, and then again we need here images folder and images 1 folder, images and images 1. So open project folder, right click, new, and images, right click, new, and images 1, done. So we have now images and images 1 folder. Now we want to simply mention the path. So images, right click, copy as a path, and we will mention the images path over here. Paste it, remove the double quote, and now we will mention the images 1 path here, images 1, right click, copy as a path, remove the path, Ctrl+V. Okay, remove the double quote because we need only single quote. Now here we want to mention the keypoint.csv file path, means where we want to save our keypoint.csv. We want to save our file inside the project folder. Simple. So open the project folder, go here, you will get the path, click on it, copy it, and then mention the path from here. No need to delete the file name, only delete the path, okay, because we want to mention the new path. So remove it, Ctrl+V, done. Now let's just save the code and run the code. Now it will first download our model, and then after it will save the images using normal video file which we mentioned. Okay, so it started, so it will take some time. When the process will be over, inside shell you will get the message how many images do we create for normal behavior. So let's just wait. So our process is completed, our normal.py process is completed, and we have here 0 to 297 images is basically normal images. Now we want suspicious images. So file, open, downloads our project folder, and suspicious.py. Again same way, our video file name which is basically suspicious 1. You can mention any video name. You have to just rename it and mention that particular video name over here. Okay, and then again we want to mention the images 1 path and images path. Copy as a path, images 1, remove the old path, Ctrl plus V, double quote, remove it, then scroll down, images path. So images folder path, right click, copy as a path and mention it. Remove the double quote, and then at the end we want to mention same way the key point file path. So there is already key point file path because we created the key point file for normal. So same file we will use for suspicious. So same path, right click the file and copy as a path and remove the file old path from the code and Ctrl plus V, simple, and then just remove the double quote. That's it. Now we will run our code. And one more thing friends, I forgot to mention here, because we are saving here suspicious images also in same folder, so we want to mention the number. That's it. So here start from, so 0 to 297, when we complete our normal.py, it says that 0 to 297 is the normal images which we save. So now if I want to create the suspicious images in same folder, so we want to mention the number. So 0 to 297 normal, so 298 to n number of images is basically suspicious, simple. So we will mention a is equal to 298. So now from number 298 to n number of images will be our suspicious images in same folder. So let's just save it and let's just run. So it will take some time, we will wait. So friends, we completed our suspicious.py process also. We have done. Now we will shuffle the images. So for that we will go to the file, click on open, project folder, img shuffle.py, and we will create dataset path folder, and inside that folder we will create normal and suspicious folder. So let's just open our project folder in downloads, and this is what our project folder. Here we will create a new folder and we will mention the name, which is the dataset underscore path, dataset underscore path. Right click, new folder, rename it, Ctrl plus V, it will create dataset underscore path folder. Inside that we will create two folder, which is the normal, copy the name, and then we will create suspicious folder inside dataset underscore path. That's it. Now we want to mention the path of these two folder inside the code. So normal folder, right click, copy as a path, just mention it. Normal folder is equal to, this is what our new path, and then suspicious. And then we want the images 1 folder, because inside that we have crop images. So images 1 folder path, go back, images 1, copy as a path, remove the double quote. That's it. Now then we want to save the images inside normal as a normal behavior images and inside suspicious as a suspicious. So how do we know the number? For that, inside suspicious.py we mention the number. So 298 to n number of images is basically suspicious images. It means 0 to 297 is the normal images. So in img shuffle, let's just scroll the code, just scroll the code, and 0 to 297, because we mentioned here 298 to n number of images suspicious. So 0 to 297 images, normal images. Save it, run the code. Now it will send 0 to 297 images inside the normal folder and 298 to n number of images inside suspicious. So if you open dataset path, suspicious images, normal images, done. Now we will open the new file which is dataset. Open from the project folder, we will scroll down and dataset.py. Now here we want to mention our key point file path. So go back, key point file path, right click, copy as a path and mention it. Remove the double quote. And here we want to mention dataset underscore path folder path. Dataset underscore path folder path. Copy as a path and mention it. Now it will create a final key point file. Okay, mention single quote. Now it will create final key point file which is the dataset.csv. Now let's just run the code. Done. Open project folder. As you can see, this is what our final key point file. So cut it and move the file inside dataset path here. Now we will create our model. So file, open, and the model.py, open it. Here we want to mention the dataset, the file path, CSV file path, copy as a path, mention it. Ctrl+V, remove the double quote, and then scroll down. Here we want to mention the model path, means this is the model name. Where we want to generate the model, we want to save the model inside our project folder. So mention the project folder path. This is what our project folder path. Go here, copy it and mention it from here. Don't remove the name of the model, remove the path. Okay, Ctrl+V. Done. Now let's just run the code. It will create our model. Done. We created our model. This is what our model. Now let's just run the main.py. Inside that code I have already mentioned the model name, the YOLO11 post.pt and the video file name. Now let's just run the code. It will download our YOLO11 post.pt model. And now we have our video. Okay, so watch this person behavior. So it will detect the points, means we have here pose model. Now as you can see, the normal behavior, normal, still normal, walking position, and now this is the suspicious action. As you can see, suspicious, red color rectangle, suspicious, again normal, and normal behavior. Simple. So this is how, friends, you can use this method and you can easily create the lightweight model which detect suspicious behavior, or you can say you can detect shoplifting. As I mentioned, friends, if you want this project full folder, you have to subscribe our channel, then become channel member. I will mention the link, the channel membership link. Simply click on it, become the channel member. Then you have to send us the email that you became a channel member. Then from our side, you will get the folder link along with the folder password, and then you can use the project folder. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.